Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the theme on your Google Gemini. So in here, as you guys can see, on my Gemini, the current theme that I'm using is a dark theme, and for example, you want to change it into a light theme. This is how you are going to do it. After you open the Google Gemini apps on your browser, you can go to the bottom in here and tap on the settings, and you can see this is the dark theme. It's currently on or enabled. So if you want to turn it off or change it into light theme, you can just tap on this circle until it turns into gray, and just like that, now the Gemini theme will be changed into light or white like this. So I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.